Human behavior plays a crucial role in workplace safety and performance. Proactive intervention strategies can help prevent unsafe behaviors and create a culture of safety. In this video, we'll explore effective behavior-based safety BBS interventions, from individual actions to group and organizational strategies. Stick around to learn how to implement safety interventions that make a real difference. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to help spread valuable insights. Behavior-based safety BBS intervention strategies are designed to proactively reduce unsafe behaviors and promote a culture of safety in the workplace. Instead of focusing only on reacting to incidents, BBS interventions aim to prevent accidents before they occur by addressing behavioral patterns at individual, group, and organizational levels. This video explores proactive intervention strategies, how to implement BBS interventions effectively, and the impact of these strategies on long-term workplace safety. 10. Understanding the need for proactive BBS interventions. Workplace accidents are often the result of repeated unsafe behaviors rather than isolated incidents. Many traditional safety programs rely on punishment after an incident occurs, but BBS interventions focus on preventing unsafe actions before they lead to accidents. By identifying risk factors and reinforcing positive behaviors, companies can create a safer work environment. Proactive interventions ensure that employees adopt safe practices as a habit rather than just following rules to avoid consequences. This shift from reactive to proactive safety management significantly reduces workplace injuries and improves employee engagement in safety programs. 9. Identifying unsafe behaviors before they lead to accidents. One of the first steps in BBS intervention is identifying the behaviors that contribute to workplace hazards. This involves observations, data analysis, and employee feedback to detect common patterns of unsafe actions. For example, if data shows that workers frequently bypass safety equipment, management must investigate the reasons behind this behavior. It could be due to discomfort, time constraints, or lack of training. Addressing these underlying causes ensures that interventions are effective, rather than just enforcing rules without context. 8. Proactive strategies for preventing unsafe behaviors. To prevent unsafe actions, organizations need proactive strategies that encourage positive behavioral changes. One effective approach is behavioral coaching, where supervisors and safety leaders provide real-time guidance and reinforcement to employees. Instead of waiting for accidents to happen, coaching helps employees correct their behavior immediately. Another proactive strategy is setting clear expectations and goals for safe behaviors. When employees understand exactly what is expected of them, they are more likely to follow safety procedures. This can be reinforced through visual reminders, such as posters, digital displays, and regular safety briefings. Regular safety drills and role-playing exercises also help employees practice safe responses in hazardous situations. By repeatedly performing safe behaviors in a controlled environment, workers develop muscle memory, making them more likely to respond correctly in real-life scenarios. 7. Implementing BBS interventions at the individual level. At the individual level, BBS interventions focus on influencing personal behaviors and mindsets. Employees must take personal responsibility for their safety and be aware of how their actions affect themselves and others. One of the most effective individual-level interventions is one-on-one feedback sessions. When employees receive direct and personalized feedback on their safety behaviors, they are more likely to make lasting changes. Instead of generalized feedback, specific observations, such as, "I noticed you didn't secure the ladder properly. Let's review the correct procedure," are more impactful. Self-monitoring programs can also be implemented, where employees track their own safety practices using checklists or mobile apps. This creates a sense of accountability and encourages workers to be more conscious of their actions. 6. Implementing BBS interventions at the group level. At the group level, interventions focus on team dynamics and peer influence. Humans are social beings, and workplace behavior is often influenced by colleagues. If teams prioritize safety as a group, individuals are more likely to follow suit. Another strategy is team-based safety challenges and rewards. For example, departments can be given monthly safety goals, such as maintaining 0 incidents or reporting a certain number of safety improvements. Rewards such as recognition, team lunches, or incentives encourage employees to work together to achieve safety objectives. Group discussions and safety meetings also play a crucial role. Encouraging employees to share experiences, discuss safety concerns, and propose solutions fosters a collaborative environment where safety becomes a shared priority rather than an imposed rule. 5. Implementing BBS interventions at the organizational level. For BBS interventions to be truly effective, they must be integrated into the overall safety culture of the organization. A top-down commitment from leadership ensures that safety is not just a set of rules, but a fundamental part of how the company operates. One key organizational-level intervention is establishing a reward and recognition system. When employees see that their safe behaviors are consistently acknowledged, they are more likely to stay engaged. Recognition should be frequent and meaningful, not just an annual award, but ongoing praise and incentives for safe actions. Additionally, leadership engagement in safety initiatives is critical. If managers and executives actively participate in safety programs, employees take them more seriously. Leaders should conduct safety walkthroughs, participate in training sessions, and consistently communicate the importance of safety. 4. Overcoming challenges in BBS interventions. Implementing BBS interventions is not without challenges. One common issue is employee resistance to change. Workers may feel that new safety initiatives are unnecessary or disruptive to their workflow. To address this, organizations must communicate the benefits of BBS clearly and involve employees in the process. Another challenge is ensuring consistency in intervention efforts. If safety rules are enforced inconsistently, or if reinforcement is sporadic, employees may not take them seriously. Organizations must ensure that safety policies are applied fairly and that reinforcement remains a regular practice. 3. Case study. BBS interventions in a manufacturing facility. A manufacturing company experiencing frequent workplace accidents implemented a structured BBS intervention program. They introduced behavioral observations, peer coaching, and leadership involvement in safety initiatives. Within a year, the company saw a 35% reduction in workplace incidents and a noticeable improvement in employee attitudes towards safety. Workers reported feeling more engaged in safety discussions, and proactive hazard reporting increased by 50%. This case demonstrates how multi-level BBS interventions can create significant improvements in workplace safety. 2. Case study. BBS interventions in the construction industry. A construction firm with a high rate of falls and equipment-related injuries implemented BBS interventions focused on individual and group reinforcement. Workers participated in peer observations, team safety challenges, and immediate positive reinforcement for safe behaviors. The result was a 40% decline in reported accidents and a cultural shift where employees actively looked out for each other's safety. This case highlights the importance of combining individual and team-based interventions to create a sustainable safety culture. 1. The future of BBS interventions. Integrating technology and data analytics. As workplace safety continues to evolve, technology and data analytics are playing an increasing role in BBS interventions. AI-powered safety monitoring systems, real-time behavior tracking, and digital feedback platforms are revolutionizing how organizations implement interventions. For example, some companies use smart sensors and wearables that detect unsafe movements and provide instant feedback to employees. Others leverage predictive analytics to identify high-risk behaviors before they lead to incidents. By integrating technology with traditional BBS interventions, organizations can enhance their ability to proactively prevent workplace accidents and create an even more effective safety culture. By applying proactive BBS intervention strategies, we can prevent unsafe behaviors and build a stronger safety culture. Whether at the individual, group, or organizational level, the right interventions can drive lasting change. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share so more people can benefit from these insights. For more in-depth learning, visit Transform AcademyHub.com. See you in the next one.